Section 4 is our last section that's really focused on probability, and then we'll move into statistics a little bit more. And Section 4 is looking at something called conditional probability. Conditional probability is the chance an event will occur given that another event already happened. So you might kind of remember some of those kind of crazy looking tables from geometry last year. Those crazy looking tables, those two-way tables, that was where you learned about conditional probability. So we'll see it again here. But conditional probability, the notation for it looks like this. P of B given A, that vertical line here just means given. Right next to this, this means the probability of event B given event A. So like, what's the chance of B happening knowing that A already did? I'm going to underline this word given here too, just to kind of have that stand out, that we know something has already happened. All right, let's jump into our first example. I'm making a table here that shows the number of students, the number of male and female students that play different sports at a school. Okay. So just kind of how to read this table. This table means there are 54 male students that play basketball. There's 61 female students that play soccer. There's 10 males that play volleyball. All right, going off of this table, let's find P of soccer given female. So knowing that our student is female, the second part in your notation is what we know. So we know that the student is already female. What's the probability that they play soccer? Well, when we find our probability, we find our number of ways that something can happen over the total possible outcomes. Our total possible outcomes in this case, since we know our student is already female, is our total number of female students. So 40 plus 61 plus 12. And that's 113. The probability that the female plays soccer, also, we're still just looking in this female column. There are 61 out of those 113 females that play soccer. So it's 61 out of 113. Same table, another problem going along with this. The probability that a student is male, given that they are a basketball player. We know whoever it is plays basketball. So look in our row for basketball here. We have 94 people altogether that play basketball. The chance that they are a male is 54 out of 94. Okay. And then we could simplify that 27 over 47. One more question here. The probability of a student playing volleyball, given they are male. So sometimes your conditional probability that we're trying to find is written out in words. Probability of a student playing volleyball, given they are a male, we know that they are a male. So our total number of male students will go on the bottom. There's 100 male students. Only 10 of those male students play volleyball. So 10 out of 100 is 1/10.